See, this new Onyx map layer says where the elk are. You just click on the size elk you want and you say go.
Perfect.
And it draws you a purple line right there.
Purple. I like it.
You ready, Jer?
Yep, I am.
Carson?
Just about.
Lucas?
Sir.
Michael, you ready?
Yes.
Day 3 of hunting. Is this the third day hunting?
Third day.
Third morning.
Only got 2 left after today. The wind's supposed to blow 30 to 40 miles an hour up there today. Dorothy and Toto will come flying by.
We are in the exact same spot we have been the last 2 days. We continue to be convinced there are elk in the area, there are elk moving through, and when they do move, they will move through here. So we believe the hunting pressure eventually will push additional elk into here, so we're going to stay with this. It's going to be a windy one today, kind of miserable, but we're going to hang in there. So let's see what happens.
So for me to cover all the bedding areas in these next 2 canyons, it's going to take me about 3 hours.
I'll be ready.
Okay.
I appreciate you doing it.
I don't know what else to do.
Yeah, they're laying low. They're not moving.
Yeah, that full moon. I think they feed all night and they're in bed early. And then you get a strong wind like this. They have no reason to get out of their bed today.
At a minimum, maybe we'll move some around a little bit. So get them somewhere where we can find out where they went.
Well, we've outlasted all the other hunters. They all gave up. So we can't count on them to move them around.
That's a fact. They've not come down in here.
So, time is it? 8:30. I'll probably be back sometime between 11 and noon. All right. Okay.
Good luck, Randy.
Wish me luck. I'm gonna need it. Well, here's the idea. I left those guys about 20 minutes ago, heading way south about 1.5 miles. I'm gonna walk these thick, deep canyons and every ridge top. And the goal is, if there are elk bedded here, in this ugly, nasty stuff like down in there, I'm going to find them and I'm going to push them north. So I made a big loop to the south. Those guys are north of me. Idea being that if elk decide to move, hopefully I'm far enough south of them that they'll want to move north and they'll come across that saddle where those guys are at. Getting a little lathered up here, climbing in and out of all these canyons, but we got to do something to change up our luck and get some elk in front of Jerry. About a third to halfway through my hike, probably a third. And I've been gone 1 hour and 45 minutes. And I haven't seen an elk. Obviously, I don't know what I'm doing.
You still there, Michael?
Yep, same spot. So
You
see
keep
that?
your eye on him. Let me find him again.
I would just look with your naked eye real quick here. Find that tree, that dead tree. He's right below and left of it. The dead tree that has a Y at the top.
Yep. That looks like a nice bull, Michael.
Yeah. I mean, he's getting me excited. I don't know about you. But
Well,
how far is he? 400.
he's 437.
Poke that, you think?
Not in this wind.
No, yeah.
He's gonna have to get a little bit closer. That's a crosswind and everything. Where's the rock pile you're thinking of?
So,
Oh, it's straight in front of me here.
yeah.
If he gets there,
You can dunk him.
I might take a poke at him.
You hear that, Jerry?
What's that?
It's broken on that side. This whole side's broken up.
We just got unlucky. But that's what we came for.
There's a good view of him too. He's got both sides? Yeah. Okay, yeah, he's got both sides. Jerry, let's shoot this.
You're kidding.
No. Get up here.
No kidding. How could we have stared at him that long and not seen the other side? He had both sides?
Yeah.
We just had a bull come out about an hour ago and came out in the bottom of the canyon. We took a look at it in the spotting scope. It looked like it had a broken main beam on one of the sides. So we looked at him for the better part of a half hour. And as I was looking at some other animals, someone who was helping us out was glassing them as well. And apparently I just didn't see the other beam. It looked like it was broken. Once we saw that there was movement up here, I may have moved. Anyway, the elk took a step back, so we think he's still in the bottom down there. So we're still going to wait and maybe discuss strategy and how we might try to push him out of there. But we've got a little bit of time here. I don't think we need to rush into this. I think we can develop a bit of a plan. But we're going to keep glassing, see if he comes back out, see if he moves through the woods, and then decide here in an hour or so whether we'll try to push him out of there or not. Not sure I've ever been in more windier conditions in my entire life than we've seen today. It has blown 4,000 miles an hour for the last 8 hours in a row here. But here's the good news. Everything's laying low. Nothing's happening right now. This will blow over, and when it does, we'll be here. We'll get our chance. We'll get our chance. We almost got one today. Just need a little bit more luck.
Really long hike this morning for 3 hours, and I saw 0 elk. I heard 0 elk, and I came back here, and Jerry and Michael and Lucas and Carson saw a bull about 450 yards over here. But in these winds, no one's gonna take a shot like that. It's the only shots we're going to take in this wind is straight up wind this way or straight down below us, less than 200 yards. Other than that, it's irresponsible. So Jerry did the right thing by not shooting. And just we just got to catch that lucky break. Right now I'm built a little nest here. I'm kind of tucked out of the wind, laying down. Pop up every once in a while, look around, lay back down, pop up, look around. That's how you do it, folks. You just gotta wait them out. You know, if you think this elk hunting will just show up and there they are, you're gonna be disappointed.
Well, folks, at the end of day 3, it stayed windy, but it's gotten colder. We never saw that bull again this evening. We hung in here a while. It's getting colder now. We're going to come back out and try it again in the morning. We know there's at least 2 good bulls living in this canyon. We know of at least 3 more that we saw on the scouting day that passed through this canyon. So it's supposed to be cold tomorrow, but hopefully a lot less windy, make conditions better. So we're going to stick with it tomorrow.
Welcome to the windiest Wapiti hunt ever. At least for this day. Stay tuned. Tomorrow is a day. Thanks for watching.